Hello friends, welcome to Learn with me. My name is Param. I hope you all are doing fantastic. So friends, in today's video, I'm gonna teach you 5 advanced English vocabulary words which are used by native speakers in their conversations. So if you are IELTS and PT student, you can also use these words in your speaking as well as your writing module for higher scoring. In this video, we will learn these words with examples. I hope this video will be useful to you. So without wasting time, let's get started. First word is altercation. Altercation. This is a noun. It means quarrel and argument. A noisy argument you can also say. A heated argument you can also say means altercation, quarrel, विवाद or तकरार in Hindi if we say. तकरार. For example, Rahul got into an altercation with his friend. Rahul got into an altercation with his friend. Altercation, this is a noun. It means quarrel or argument with someone. Second is obsolete. Obsolete. It is an adjective. It means no longer used, rare or uncommon. Which is used rarely, means outdated, old thing or policy, outdated, which is not updated, no longer used. For example, this process is almost obsolete due to technological advancement. This process is almost obsolete due to technological advancement. Obsolete means no longer used or we use rarely, means outdated. Next is articulate. Articulate. This is a verb. It means to clearly express in words. Means to express or explain your ideas, your plans and your feelings in front of someone in a mannerable or effective way, in a clear way you can say. When we tell something in front of someone in a clear way, we express our feelings, plans and ideas. To clearly express in words. For example, she articulated her all plans in front of us. She articulated her all plans in front of us. Next is efficacious. Efficacious, this is an adjective. It means effective and fruitful. Effective and fruitful. Any idea, plan or thing which is useful for someone or something. Effective or fruitful. Let's see the example. Your ideas can be efficacious for our business. Your ideas can be efficacious for our business. Effective and fruitful. Last one is stringent. Stringent. This is an also adjective. It means harsh or strict. Strict. You can also pronounce it inflexible or rigid. Any norm, rule or a policy which cannot be changed easily. So strict, harsh. Look at the example. Government should generate stringent rules against offenders. Government should generate stringent rules against offenders. Offenders means criminals. Offenders. Government should generate stringent rules against offenders. Stringent means harsh and strict, inflexible. So friends, these were the 5 advanced vocabulary words which can be used in our daily conversation as well as in our IELTS and PT speaking and writing module for higher scoring. I hope this video you liked. If you liked, please like and subscribe my channel for more content. I'll meet you with new content in a new video. So till that time, all the best, good luck, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you.